Hi guys, it's time again, and you can see here is the A5 regular puzzle covers here, and in these few days, and we can also see some different the traveler books makers. They are doing the puzzle work, doing the patchwork too. Yes, and I feel it's very fun because when I see the other company that doing like this, and I just think, oh my God, who make this? Did we make this? And when I see clearly that not meant by me, so some company they are doing the same work and similar work like this. So I feel so funny, and I feel so cool because I think if the product not so beautiful, not so great, then no one will just do the similar product like yours. So I'm happy that I can see the other companies they are doing the same patchwork like me. But my wife said we are the first one to make this. I said yes, everybody knows, so don't worry, just keep doing our best and don't worry anything. So you can see now, yes, is another puzzle. Yes, it actually is called a patchwork, but in the first time I just named it the puzzle, and now my puzzle is more and more different. It's not only the square or the rectangle, and before I have already made many irregular shapes in the puzzle, and now I add more and more irregular in the puzzle like this, like a triangle, but it's just like a regular rectangle. Yes, and especially have this very small rectangle. Yeah, and you can see, and the colors combination is also very beautiful too. And you can see the back is like this, and after I will sewing it on the, because I have next few puzzles before I have sewn on the orange stitching, and I have sewn the yellow stitching, the red stitching, and the black stitching. But now I will try this one to stitching in the navy blue, in the sky blue, or just in the very bright blue. I feel it will very shine, and will just really beautiful. Okay, so let's make it now. See you guys later. Hi guys, I'm back, and you can see here is a puzzle cover, and I already sewing all the sewing on all the puzzles, all the patchworks here. Yeah, you can see. And because the shape is a regular shape, and many rectangles here and the squares here. Yeah, and the sum is almost too close to the triangle. And the stitching, that I use the blue stitching because the inside pocket she want the zip higher. So she want because she has delivered not to me, and said he want the interior pocket, and can add the sectorial on the interior pocket. So because my higher letter is the less amount, so the letter is not enough. So I just can only make this like this to make the interior pocket in the back and also add one piece of the sectorial pocket for her. Yes, I wish she will like it. And she choose the blue patch holders, and here is the back cover here, and later I will glue it on and to combination with the front cover. So you can see after the sewing, even the back is very beautiful. Yes, but I just cannot just give you like this because you won't feel comfortable when you're writing. So I will add on a piece of the leather to be the back cover. Yes, and later will just like this, and also a pen loop and the two patch holders. And she chose a very beautiful button here. Yes, because now you can see many people, many company, they do also add the buttons on their notebook, but they usually use the elastic to cross through the hole and to be on their elastic decoration. Yes, and not like mine, not like my shop. I always do sewing on the button on the cover, and has his features. Yes. Okay, so let's go to the final step. I will start to glue the cover and until it dry, and I will make all the notebook done. Okay, see you later. Hi guys, I'm back after a few hours, and I screw the cover front and the cover back, and until the glue dry. So it's here. Yeah, it takes me few hours to make this all, but patch the cover, the front cover, it takes my wife a day. So usually to make a puzzle cover, always need use 2 days to make it. And you can see this is really beautiful, especially the flower black buttons here. And because she has mentioned to me the pen loop she wants, because she usually using the pilot fountain pen. So I especially go to the website to see how big is this pen. So after I checked, I offer her a big pen loop. Yes, and you can see inside. You can see inside because she had to mention me too. If I can match the sapphire leather to the stitching and the patch holder and elastic, and if I can match the leather color, and just let me to make it. So in the end, I just choose the light blue stitching because I want to make the cover looks more bright. Not so, because she was choosing the navy blue, and it's very close to the black stitching. So I feel if I sew it in black or the dark blue, and the color will become very dark and not so bright. So I especially to choose this stitching just in order to make the notebook as a more bright view. Yes, you can see. And the cover is really beautiful. And inside, she wants a sectorial pocket on the interior pocket. So I especially to make this special custom to her. Yeah, because I don't have any more sapphire lasers. So if I do have more, I will make her too. But this piece is my laser mount here. Yeah, so you can see it's really beautiful. And the edge polish is also very beautiful. Yes, this is my patchwork, my puzzle, and my button. Yes, most of my customers, they know the buttons and the puzzle and the mountain. That's just like the LeCow sign. Yes, that's really my sign because I made them, and everyone to get the mountain or get the puzzle or get the button closure, they will just love it. Yeah, I'm so happy to that because we met them. Me and my wife, we met this, and many customers, they just like this. And you can see because the button is all flat in the back, so I especially to add a small very small layer inside the button. So just in order to let the button is easy to slide in the elastic. Yeah, you can see it's very easy because there's a little distance between the cover and the button. Yeah, and the elastic, the metal clips. Yes. Yes, okay. Wish you guys will like the video today, and wish the customer, let me see what's her name. Oh, Michelle. Okay. Also, wish Michelle will love it. Yes, and this will very quick to shipping maybe in tomorrow because here is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, and it will ship in tomorrow. Wish you guys will like it. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.